Paws up, dog owners. Is your pup's heart in tip-top shape? Let's dive in. A heart murmur in dogs is like a whisper from the heart. It can be a sign of something serious or nothing at all, but don't worry. Here's what you need to know. First, a vet can detect a murmur with a stethoscope. It's that easy. If they hear one, they might suggest more tests. Think X-rays or an ultrasound. These tests help figure out what's causing the murmur. Sometimes a murmur is harmless, but other times it could mean heart disease. Catching it early is key. Regular vet checkups are super important. Look out for signs like coughing, tiredness, or trouble breathing. If you spot these, head to the vet. Quick action can make a big difference, so give your pup some extra love today. And remember, a healthy heart means a happy dog. Thanks for watching. Keep those tails wagging.